at the world famous San Diego Zoo. We are an international conservation organization with 2 front doors. We've got one right here on behalf of all of our wildlife and staff. Welcome. We also have our sister facility about 40 minutes north of here, our San Diego Zoo Safari Park, where a lot of really amazing conservation work happens as well, so definitely recommend checking that out if you've never been. But I'm here to give you a few tips and tricks so the day runs super smooth here at the zoo. First order of business is definitely finding your way around. We've got a big old map over here on my left that you can use to orient yourself. We are moving away from paper maps for sustainability reasons to a free app that you can get on your phone. But if you do find yourself needing a paper map today, you can head on over to our tour and membership booth. That's also where you can sign up for a behind the scenes tour if you want to get even more up close and personal, or if you want to upgrade your ticket to a full year membership and business all year round. We'd love to see your smiling faces again, being allies for wildlife. There are also a few ways to move around the zoo today. So we've got our bus tour. It's going to be opening at about 9 a.m. It'll be about a 35-minute tour around the entire zoo, learn a little bit more about the work that we do here. We also have our Skyboarding aerial tram. It's going to start down at our base camp, our children's zoo, and head up to polar bears. You can take that all the way around, get a bird's eye view of the zoo and into Balboa Park. And both of those are included in your ticket today, so definitely take advantage of those. But there is a lot of walking area, tons of things to see. So if you find yourself with any questions about the day, we got some amazing guest ambassadors in green and amazing volunteers in red. You all have tons of knowledge and would love to share with you. But in addition to those 2 front doors that I mentioned earlier, we also have 8 conservation hubs all over the globe to broaden our impact. And all of our wildlife here does represent at least one of those hubs, including pandas. Who's excited about pandas today? That's what I thought. So they're going to usually wake up around 9:30. If you don't forget to go say hi to them, they're either going to be asleep or sleeping. So you got to go check it out. But to address the squawky box here above my head, this is our fully flighted flock of macaws. A little bit of a mouthful, but they are amazing birds. They live in flocks and pairs all throughout Central and South America. They are beautiful, brightly colored birds that use their squawks and squeaks to find each other throughout the rainforest. They come in a variety of colors. They blend in with the fruits and flowers found throughout the rainforest. And they are very important for seed dispersal. They have really powerful tongues with a little bone inside that allow them to crack through really, really hard nuts, which makes them very, very important. Unfortunately, every single species of macaw is endangered, and this is due to a variety of reasons, but they can fly up to about 15 miles in one day looking for food, and they will return to the same exact tree every single night. So just by being here, y'all are making sure that those trees are there for them when they do return. These birds specifically, we have 6 birds fly for us this morning. They are going to head on over to their favorite tree, which is over by the Komodo dragons, going up North Pole, where we do have a presentation at 2 p.m. if you'd like to come over and say hello again to them. But I think they are getting very excited, so we need a very brave and courageous volunteer to help me out this morning. Can anyone raise their hand if you want to help me? Do you want to come help me? All right, come on under the rope. All right, I need your names. What? Come on over, friends. Have we been to the zoo before? Yes, no? Okay. All right, let's stand super, super close. Perfect. So we are going to need some audience participation to help us all out. And then you two, can you see this little switch right there? So we're going to count down from 3, and then you're going to want to push that little switch up to the sky, and then we're all going to look up and maybe close our mouths, okay? All right, let's do it. Everyone ready? Let's count down from 3. 3, 2, 1. Push the switch. Push, push, push. You help? Yeah.
They know.
All right, we got one more. All right, everyone, so it's officially open. Thank you for coming.